yung mga flood control, yung flood management, katakot-takot na pera to, and we're trying to have historical data. Para tayo nagtatapon ng pera, kasi nga, ito yung dredging eh, flood control and drainage system. Eh, alam naman po natin dito, kung saan napupunta ito eh. Baka pwedeng i-revisit natin ito at bawasan din natin yung katakot-takot na flood control, flood management, drainage.
How much is meant? I agree. Tanggalin natin.
Po, 2014, 36 billion. 2015, 49 billion. 2016, 64 billion.
No, saan ba yung...
2017, 80 billion. 2018, 141 billion. And then 2019 net, 133 billion. Puro billion ito, Mr. President. Eh kung bumili na tayo ng dredging, katakot-takot na dredging machine ito.
I agree with you, Senator Lacson, yung dredging talagang malaking racket.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. President. These are very good suggestions and experiences shared. But I'm afraid we may be talking to the wrong audience because dumadami dredging pagdating sa House eh. Hindi na tayo si PWH. Doon dumadami katakot-takot ng items sa dredging pag dumaan sa GAB.